Hello, higher level physics students. I have a new ultraviolet lamp, and I think I will be able to demonstrate to you the photoelectric effect. I'm going to reposition the camera to see a little better. First, remember that in order to demonstrate the photoelectric effect, we need to charge the zinc plate, which I'm going to place now on the electroscope, with negative charge. Now, I have here a grass rod and a piece of fabric, and I do not know what the electric charge on the rod is going to be. But I'm going to show you two ways of charging the zinc plate with one electric charge and the other, and we'll try. One of them must be the negative charge. So let's get started. The first method is I'm charging the rod and simply put some electric charge directly on the plate. So now the electric charge on the electroscope or on the plate, on the zinc plate, is the same as the electric charge on the rod. So let's see that. If I bring this closer, the gold foil goes up. Okay, this may be positive or negative, I don't know. Let me discharge that. Now I'm gonna charge the plate using a different method. So I'm charging the rod, I bring it close to the plate, I earth the plate, and then I go away. Now, the charge on the electroscope is opposite to the charge on this rod. So whatever is on this rod, on the electroscope, we have the opposite. So let's test that. So if I bring this closer, the gold foil should go down. Yeah, so that's a sign that the charge on the electroscope is opposite to the charge on the rod. So the ultraviolet lamp has lamps, two lamps actually, with and these are the wavelengths of the ultraviolet lamp for the two. And let's try to discharge the zinc plate. So, as it happens, we were lucky. The charge that we put in our last attempt was actually negative. So now, the full demonstration of the photoelectric effect. Let's charge the zinc plate negatively. So bring this close. Now it's negatively charged. And we place the ultraviolet lamp above. Let's try with a lower frequency ultraviolet. Not enough, it seems, for the zinc plate. Now let's switch on the second lamp. And now you can clearly see that the zinc plate is being discharged. The electrons are being removed from the zinc plate. Just a close-up of the ultraviolet lamp. So this was the photoelectric effect.